Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna start with unboxing straight away because this just arrived, and if you watched my previous vlog you might already know what's inside. Yes, it's a long t-shirt dress from Leset. I love this brand for their fabrics. I feel like the whole concept of this brand is about good quality fabrics. There are like several types of cotton and silky satin, linen I believe as well, and they name their collection after the fabric names, which is kind of unique. And then every collection has different kind of tops, bottoms like shorts, pants and dresses as well, but in different design, depends on the feel and the look of each fabric. So in the end I went for the Margot dress, which made from the signature Margot fabrics, 100% cotton, very soft. I really love it already. Still supposed to hold the shape really well. If you're familiar with the brand, you probably know the Margot tea, which is one of the all-time bestsellers. And this season they turn it into like this long easy dress. Initially I wanted in size S, but it sold out while I was looking around and checking all other options of versatile long dresses, classic me. So I ordered it in size M instead, and I'm hoping for this like slightly relaxed fit. It might work even better, so let's check it out. Okay, I'm loving it. This fabric, you guys, so soft on the skin with just enough of thickness and structure. You know, this crispy yet comfy feel that make it look considerate even if I just throw it on. Love it. And it's not sheer at all. There is like a little stretch to it as well. I love the neckline, and the material itself feels like very breathable, and I think size wise I'm also happy with it. Shoulders look fine. Yes, there are like a lot of room inside, but it also means like a lot of air flow, which is like the most important thing for hotter days. So, and I love the length. For the reference, I am 171 and 5 7 inches tall, and it goes all the way down, and this length feels so chic to me. And style wise, it's quite literally a white canvas. You can do everything with this, depends on the season and trends. Every kind of necklace will look so nice with it, and this summer it feels like we tie everything around our waist. And you can easily dress it up or down by choosing like a different kind of bags and shoes. Oh, I'm loving it. Iconic. relaxed short, cotton or linen, denim shorts, Havaianas, and my favorite straw hats is my go-to formula for the beach day. I love how comfy and easy it feels, and it also looks kind of put together even when everything gets a little bit salty and sandy. And to be honest, I really love this feeling when the wind plays with your big short on the beach, and the short can protect your shoulders and arms from the sun when it gets too intense. And this time I really caught myself thinking why I'm not wearing shorts more often, generally, not only to the beach, because I enjoy them a lot, and you know what, I don't have a lot of them, so I got Ayllon. It's from Massimo Dutti and it's 100% cotton short in a beautiful checkered print. I got it with a good discount during the big summer sales, so I'm not sure if it's gonna be available at the time I post this video, but checkered shorts are kind of trendy now and there are a lot of alternatives on the market. Wow, this short is actually very light one, and the quality of the cotton is kind of interesting. Not usual for me, it's even a little bit sheer against the light. Well, with Massimo Dutti it's always so interesting. I usually really love their shoes and bags and the quality, but with clothes the fabrics are never what I expected to be. Well, but I really love this checkered print. It's not simple but very neutral in terms of the color, so I'm playing this trend on the safe side to make it work for most of my clothes. And I think this summer shorts got an extra function. They are accessories too, because we like to tie them around our waist to make simple outfits much more interesting. And I think it's gonna be even more relevant for late summer and beginning of fall, because the shorts will be useful for the chill evenings and mornings. I personally love this trend and I like to use shorts, long sleeve as well as silk scarves as a belt. Well, I think this video is slowly forming into my favorite accessories video. And as we speak about accessories now, I absolutely need to mention my number one summer accessory, which is straw raffia hats. I absolutely love them. They are the most stylish for summer. It's my favorite SPF and they transform every single outfit in the best possible way. I have two of them and I own them for several years already, and they're both actually they're brand staples, so they restock them every single summer. First one is from Aussie's brand called Lack of Colors. It has this beautiful shape and the wide brim gives a very elegant look and serious sun protection. What I really like is the brown cotton ties. They are super practical, just tie them and if the wind picks up, your hand won't go flying. I love how it looks on my back when I take it off, plus I'm totally hands-free. The second one is from Jenny Kane, California, and it's more casual laid-back shape, works perfectly for city outfits too. Huge bonus, it's packable, which makes it perfect for travel. I honestly love them more and more each season, my favorite accessories for summer. new COS Pre-Fall Collection is a beautiful one. It's like a cashmere dream, and the quality of COS cashmere is actually a really good one. They have this kind of staple chunky sweaters that they release every season in a new color, sometimes in a slightly different cuts. I treat myself with a gray one last autumn. It's kind of expensive, especially for the brand like COS, but in the same time it's like huge, thick, 100% cashmere sweaters. It's kind of worth it, and I personally absolutely love it. It's very warm, it's luxuriously soft on the skin, super stylish. I wear it a ton. It was absolutely my favorite sweater last winter, so I keep my eye on a new collection now. And they also released my favorite wool dress in a new beautiful gray color. Some of you actually asked me about this dress, so check their collection. It's coming in a new color this year. So COS definitely got me super excited about the fall. But what is relevant not only for fall and winter, but all year round is a good accessories. And I'm gonna talk a little about jewelry now because I just received a new addition to my collection. It's from the same Australian brand as a necklace that I got recently and shared in my previous vlog. And by the way, I absolutely love that necklace style-wise, and the quality is really good. And generally, I'm really happy with my necklace collection. I will show you in a moment. But what I'm really liking is a good staple ring. So I decided to treat myself with this cutie. I absolutely love the color and the shape and size. It looks big on my little hand, but not as huge as a lot of other options, and it's gonna work so nicely with a lot of my summer outfits, but also for winter. Can you imagine to wear it with like big chunky cashmere sweater? Oh, absolutely love it. Okay, now about necklaces. I got this one from another Australian brand called Vermeer Studio 3 years ago when the beaded necklace trend just started, and I absolutely love it. I love that I have it in transparent option, because this kind of thing that you cannot see from afar, but when you're close to the person you start to notice some subtle stylish details. Oh, I love this kind of thing. The next one I got last summer, and it's perfect for this silver accent, and this one is actually from Zara. I got it last summer, I believe, and it's perfect for this summer beach vacation outfits, and I actually really love how these two go together. And by the way, we are going to California next week already, so I'm gonna to pack this one with me for sure. And we will be in LA, but also in a few places around. It's not our first time there, so we have our favorites, but I also want to check some places that all cool girls have on our radars. So let me know if you're interested in the video from LA and California. And thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you in the next one in any case. Meanwhile, please take a good care of yourself, and bisous bisous.